We're going to talk about enum, right? So enum, again, enum is being used when you want to create your own type. Like in these scenarios, we said we're going to have different user roles, and user role is going to be admin, faculty, staff, student, guest. So we technically can just put it here, administrator, staff, right? Student, faculty, and guest, right? So that's it. You just create your own type and keep all the values that can be in this type. Now how to use this? That's how you create it, right? To use this, so let's look at this program. This program has the rows as a string, but it's no longer a string as a type. It is the user row as a type, right? It's no longer a string. You create your own type, which is a user row. USER, right? Spelling. Then this one can be omitted because it's already tell the type here, right? Or you can type in, doesn't matter. Same as this part. Now, when you add, you don't add string anymore. You have to add the type, which is staff. And how do we access to that? Just call the enum dot. Add list of the type that possible, right? That's how you add. So same as this, right? No longer a string because you create your own type. So we can pretty much just add all the rows in the 5 rows, right? So admin, let me just do staff, student, and faculty, and guest. I think guest is EST. Yeah, guest. Now we want to add the list to the JavaX choice dialog. No longer string. Type is going to be user row. And the default should not be string, right? So we can just say default. We're going to give student as default. Okay. Because we have a student. And then we pass choices to go in the dialog. Again, show and wait is not going to return string anymore, right? Because we said we use enum. Enum, our type is user row. We create our own type. So, alright, so when you get no longer be a string back, it's going to be a user row back. Make sense? So pretty much just change the type. So the values, switch can take the enum, your own type too, right? It's as long as the values that you can tell, like that administrator and staff, and we can do the other cases, student, faculty, and guest. So just changing this to student, faculty, and guest. Then we can just change the statement accordingly, right? Alright, so let's try running this. We just use enum now. Alright, so it works. Right, welcome administrator. And we use enum. So try again. Default should be student, right? Welcome student. And this is called Enum and how to use it.